Alright, it's July 26th, aerated rice experiment. This is my assistant Silhouette. At the risk of some redundancy, we want to see what the effect of aeration is on iron toxicity in wet acid soils. Tub 1 is our control tub. This is iron toxic soil, and it has been left stagnant to mimic conditions in lowland Africa. Tub 2 is the same iron toxic soil, but it has been aerated. Tub 3 is iron toxic soil with 2/3 of a cup of extra iron filings added to make sure that it's toxic. And tub 4 is forest soil with no iron toxicity. As we can see, our stagnant control tub is now not doing very well at all. It doesn't look like anything's going to come. And the browning on the leaves are classic signs of iron toxicity. The other sign is a kind of stunted root growth, and we'll check in a minute to see if that follows. Tub 2 here, we can see the rice is really doing much better. There's no getting around it. Tub 3 with the extra iron filings added is not doing as well as tub 2, but it's still doing much better than our stagnant control. So there may be some limit to how much iron we can take away, but we can certainly turn it into a crop, and without any iron we're doing best of all. So if we go back to the beginning here and we have a look at our tub, let's just pull out one of these where it might do the most good in terms of weeding things. Alright, there's our rice roots. Let's get a nice white background here to show that against. Where are we here? Come out someplace a little bit better. Maybe here on my pant leg. If we look at that, alrighty, we can see that the roots on this plant, they've taken a bit of a leaf out of the water with them, but there's really almost no root to speak of at all. It's not doing very well. So that's tub 1. If we come over here and do the same, let's pluck out another one from a dense area. Oh, that's really sticking into the ground better. I don't know if I can get it out. Oh my. Alright, and we'll rinse that off. And we see here, looking at my pant leg, that we have a lot more root, and it's a good deal healthier than what we saw before. I'm not sure how well the color comes through on the video. There's a bit of a sign that there's iron toxicity, but it gets cleaned up on the way. The stunting clears up. Tub 3, let's go in the same way. We have to kind of tug. There we go. Rinse her off. We're seeing a much healthier root here again than we did in tub 1. So we're remediating some of the toxicity. And finally, our forest soil tub. Let's just go in here and pull one out. Oh, they're really well attached. And that plant is, there we go, showing some brown on the roots. So the brown marks aren't all by themselves iron toxicity. A healthier root, more tillers, as we can see, than any of the others. So our next step is going to be to throw a little bit of food in here. I haven't fed any of them at all, but it's clear that they're suffering from a lack of fertility. And so at this stage in the experiment, we'll see if this starts to contribute to algae growth. So there it is, July 26th, 2013, aerated rice experiment. Thank you.